Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 16. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I did not do anything the whole day. These are what my nails look like. They look so weird just because I have not had like my nails done in forever. So just looking at myself in the mirror, it's kind of like, whoa, okay. No, but yeah, today is Friday. My winter break started yesterday, so I just chilled all day. I really did not do anything, like literally nothing. So I don't have a lot of video footage. So what I'm going to do is just show you guys what I bought. The boots that I told you guys that I was going to buy because I needed for the snow. The only snow boots that I had supposedly that are not really for snow boots are the Doc Martens, which are the white ones, and those are the only ones that I have, and they're not that high up. They're like maybe a little bit higher than my ankles, but I know the snow is a little bit more higher than that, and sometimes the snow gets in my shoe when I step in the snow. So I bought some boots, but I don't think they're high enough. I don't know, they were kind of pricey though. They're from the brand Uggs. I'm going to show you right now. I'm just going to let the battery die. It doesn't really matter because I have a backup battery. Anyways, I am just going to clean. I had a lot of video ideas to do for you guys, but honestly I did not want to go out today because of the whole snow processing that I have to do in order for me to get out of my car and like go out and vlog and like show like video footage for you guys. It's just a lot. So maybe, hopefully, I don't know, I probably will go out tomorrow. Sorry, I will have a little bit more video footage. Like, I'm so glad Vlogmas is kind of near. I feel like it is a lot to film every day and come up with something and then edit, especially because I don't really go out as much and because I have a job, so it's not like I am available like throughout the whole day, if that kind of makes sense. So yeah, so I'm going to show you what is it that I have to clean, which it's not really much, to be honest with you. It's just like the clothes here is kind of a mess. I need to make my bed, and then that little situation over there, I just need to organize it. That's trash, but I don't feel like going out to go take out the trash because it's so cold outside. And the apartment complex, the trash can is not close by. It is like super far, and I don't feel like putting a freaking snow gear to go throw that out. And my jackets, I just don't like that. I hate this. I know I did not want my mom to give me any of these because I knew this was going to happen. I was just going to be hanging them up and not have them where they're supposed to be. So let's get started. I'm just going to throw all of my I'm still in my PJs, you guys. They're not dirty at all. It's just, see, I'm over here procrastinating again. I just sat down when I should not be sitting down. I should probably be doing something productive. But those clothes are not dirty. I just took them out of the drawers and I just changed in the morning because I helped out my mom take out the chicken wings to her car because she had like 2 trays. So yeah, and I did not want her to like slip in the snow and like have the chicken wings all over the floor. I would feel so bad. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit down right here. Just a little chat with you guys. Anyways, I'm sorry if I do not have a lot of video footage. Like I said, I did not want to go out today at all, and like the things that I had planned for is like me doing outdoor things, and right now it's kind of like everyone is like just try to stay at home as much as possible, like avoid the roads unless it's like something that you really need. So I don't want to go out unless it's like not an emergency, but like something that you kind of need. The roads are kind of clearing a little bit more, and snow isn't falling, so I'm just going to put these over here and have all of my shorts and under tops on this drawer. I have all of my leggings here on this drawer, and then I have my sweats and PJs at the bottom drawer. So I'm just going to do my bed, and then I'm going to show you the boots that I bought. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I kind of want to return them and like hopefully find a other pair, but the other pairs are not as cute as these, so we'll see. Let me know what you guys think, if they're even worth it for the snow or not. For people who live in the snow, let me know. So I'm just gonna do my bed really quick. Okay, so I am done. I honestly did not really do my bed because I'm going to lay back down in my bed, so it's not that really much. And I usually either sit down on my vanity and I edit the video, or I'll just lay down on my bed and I'll just edit my video. So I really want to get this vlog up today. It is 6:02. So I honestly don't have a lot of video footage for you guys, and I'm so sorry. But once I'm done editing, I will catch up on this book, which is, I don't know if you guys, I'm sure you guys have seen this series. It's called Bridgerton. But it is a pretty good book, and I've only read like the first chapter. Yeah, at first it's kind of like it's not really entertaining, but it's kind of getting there where it's kind of like getting a little bit entertaining. The chapters are pretty long. They're like 8 pages long, but it is a pretty thick book, I will say that. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys the boots that I got. So these are the boots that I bought. They're from Uggs. You guys are not cheap. I feel like I probably could have gotten like some cheaper ones or something at like Walmart or like Dick's Sporting Goods or whatever, but I'm sure they're probably already sold out. Which I really want to go to Dick's Sporting Goods tomorrow, hopefully maybe to find another pair of snow boots and maybe return these, just because of, okay, so these are the boots that I bought. These are the boots that I bought. They're so cute, and I could like either have them like this or fold them down like that, which is also very cute. I like it better this way, but because the snow is like sometimes high, that's why I kind of bought these. These are maybe like 2 fingers higher than my Doc Martens, which is not a lot. I've seen boots that are up to a little bit lower than your knee. I honestly don't know how much feet of snow falls here in Utah, to be honest with you. And I also want to go to, I think it's called Sportsman's, or yeah, I think it's called Sportsman's, or Dick's Sporting Goods, and I want to get like a snowsuit, like a snow overall, whenever I am cleaning and shoveling out the snow from the back of my car, so that I can like pull out my car and go to work. I just don't get wet, and I don't get my clothes wet and like full of snow, and then it melts and my shoes are wet and my pants feel all wet. So that's why I kind of want a snowsuit, and it's another layer, so it'll keep me a little bit more warm. The lowest it has gotten here has been like 23, 27 degrees, which they say that that's nothing, like it'll go like below 0. I just want to stay as warm as much as possible. I think that is it for the video. Sorry it is a boring vlog and I did not vlog that much, but I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with more videos, and I will catch up with you guys in the next video. Bye guys.